Hey kids, another video is starting on our channel, Love Action. Watch until the end with me.
Do you know what the fastest bird in the world is? It's the peregrine falcon. This bird flies so fast, so fast, it's like a rocket with feathers. When it dives from the sky to catch its food, it goes faster than a race car. Wow, vroom! But it's not just flying around for fun. Nope, it's a super hunter. It catches other birds, like pigeons and swallows. And guess what? The falcon helps nature too. It keeps the balance by not letting too many little birds take over the skies. Here's something cool. It has big, amazing eyes that can see super far, like superhero vision. And it lives way up high, in mountains or on tall towers. It loves the high places, like a king of the sky. So next time you look up at the sky, just think, is the peregrine falcon zooming by with its super speed cape?